Hello, hello, hello. My name is Sarah C5, and today I'm going to talk about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers. Now, natural numbers can be like 1, 2, 3, or 4, and so on. Whole numbers can be 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, including 0. Integers can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and includes negative numbers like -4, -3, -2, -1, and so on. A rational number is any decimal number like 7.2, 3.5, 6.4. It can terminate and does not repeat. So that's what they are. So if you have any questions regarding what I just said, please let me know in the comments and I will help you with these types of numbers. So let me give another demonstration is that, let's see, so yeah, natural numbers can be like 7, 8, 5, natural numbers can be like the number 7, the number 5, the number 6. Whole numbers is any of those numbers like 7, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1, 0, 100, 200, but it includes 0. And integers include negative numbers like -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, etc. And that includes, the integers also include 0 and natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And rational numbers do not repeat and they terminate. So it could be -13, -4 and 4/5, let's see, I don't know. I think, yes, -0.37 would be 1. 8.8 is 1, 35.5 is 1. Now, in the next tutorial, I'm going to talk about other kinds of numbers. Thanks.